Good morning, students. The last session we learned how the formula is derived to solve the quadratic equation, and we solve the practice set 2.4 also. In this session I am going to explain you the nature of root of quadratic equation. All of you know that the quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and the roots are x is equal to minus b plus minus in square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the root of the quadratic equation, and this root we are using, that is a formula to find out the roots of given quadratic equation. Now the nature of root is depends upon the value of b square minus 4ac. Then how? If the b square minus 4ac, after if you know the quadratic equation, solve it, find out the value of a, b and c, substitute the value in the b square minus of 4ac. If the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus b upon 2a, or x is equal to minus b upon 2a. Means the root are minus b upon 2a. No need to calculate whole the form by using the formula. If your nature of only the asking the nature of root of the quadratic equation, firstly calculate b square minus 4ac. What is meant by b square minus 4ac? We called it is a discriminant. Now the root, if it is the root of the quadratic equation are real and equal, it means that this is the nature of root. If the b square minus 4ac is 0, it means that the quadratic equations are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0, it means a positive, then the roots are real and unequal. Then these roots are real and unequal. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are not a real. Then roots are not a real means when this value is negative, obviously less than 0 means it negative. Okay students, so on this basis of these three conditions, you have to decide the given root of the quadratic equations are real, not real, equal, means we have to find out the nature of root of the quadratic equation. Now see, the root of the quadratic equation are determined by the value of b square minus 4ac, and this b square minus 4ac is called as a discriminant of the quadratic equation, and it is denoted by delta. This triangle symbol is used to denote this discriminant. Means instead of b square minus 4ac, you can use this delta. In the Greek letter, we call it is a delta. Next, now relation between the roots and the coefficient of quadratic equation. Now consider the quadratic equation ax square plus of bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are the real number and a is not equal to 0. Then these are the two roots, and these two root of the quadratic equation, that is one is alpha and one is beta. So alpha is equal to minus b plus in square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So one of the value is the alpha and another root is called as a beta. X having two value in the quadratic equation, so one value you have to consider alpha and one value you have to consider beta. Then after considering alpha and beta, then find out sum of the root alpha plus beta. After calculating alpha plus beta, what you will get? Obviously this plus b square minus 4ac minus b square minus 4ac is cancelled out. This minus b minus 2b, and 2a. So these two cancel out, you will get minus b upon a, means the alpha plus beta. If the question asks only alpha plus beta, no need to calculate anything. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, that is minus b upon a, that is important. And the product of root means alpha into beta. The alpha into beta is equal to minus b plus in square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a multiplied by another root. Alpha into beta, after calculating, you will get 4ac upon 4a squares. This 4 cancel out, a 1a cancel out, you will get c upon a. The product of the root of the quadratic equation is equal to c upon a. and sum of the root of the quadratic equation is minus b upon a. So these are the relation between the coefficient of quadratic equation, and these you have to remind. So alpha and beta are the root of quadratic equation. Then the sum of the root is b upon a and the product of root is c upon a. It is minus b upon a. Okay. So these two value you have to remember. Next. Now we will see the practice set 2.5. Now see the first question. Fill the gaps and complete. See, quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what is b square minus 4ac? Is it 5? B square minus 4ac is 1 is 5, 1 is minus 5. Root are real and unequal. Listen, if b square minus 4ac is 5, then the root are real and unequal. If the b square minus 4ac is minus 5, negative means roots are not real. Just you have to fill these two blank. Sum of the root is minus 7, that is alpha plus beta. Quadratic equation x square plus of 7x plus 5. Product of root is 5. Then alpha plus beta is minus 7 here, and product of root is 5. How it is? Sum of the root, that is alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is, just I explain you now beta. That is alpha plus beta is b minus b upon a and c upon a. Minus b means 7 upon a, that is 1, and therefore it is minus 7. And c upon a, c is 5 upon a is 1, so it is 5. So this directly I wrote the value. Now 2x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. What is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. Minus b means minus 4 by 2. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to minus 3. And alpha plus beta minus b upon a minus of 4 by 2, it is 2 to the 4. This minus become a plus 2. And alpha into beta is c minus c upon 2, that is minus 3 by 2. C upon a minus 3 by 2. Okay. So for such activity you have to know the value of alpha and beta, alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, that is sum of the root and product of the root. Find the value of discriminant. If just question ask find the value of discriminant, no need to calculate the roots. Just you have to find out b square minus 4ac, because just I explain you b square minus 4ac, we called it is a discriminant of the quadratic equation. Now the equation is x square plus of 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. Square is there, huh, beta? So comparing the above equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, c is equal to minus 1. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 7 minus 4 into 1 into minus of 1. You will get discriminant is b square minus 4ac, that is 53. Similarly all this. Remember here it is a square. What? X square. Here also 2y square. Here also root 2x square. Okay. Now same, compare with the quadratic equation. You will get a is equal to 2, b is minus 5, c is equal to 10. After getting b square minus 4ac is equal to, after calculating you will get the value. Same equation number 3. First, second, third. All these equation we have to find the value of discriminant. Now determine the nature of root of the quadratic equation. For the nature of root also, firstly calculate the b square minus 4ac. Then decide it is equal to 0, less than 0 or greater than 0. Now see x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Comparing the above equation, what you will get? A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 4. So delta is b square minus 4ac. Minus 4 after getting delta, mean delta is denoted for the b square minus 4ac for the discriminant. And delta is 0, it means that the root of the quadratic equation are real and equal. So again same, compare with quadratic equation, write down the value of ABC, calculate the b square minus 4ac. After calculating, compare that value is greater than equal to or less than 0. If it is greater than 0, now in this equation it is 33, it is greater than 0, and therefore the quadratic equation, the nature of quadratic equation are real and unequal. And in the third example, compare with the quadratic equation, write down the value of ABC, Find out delta is, that is b square minus 4ac. Then delta is here minus 32. So it is less than 0, and therefore the root of the quadratic equation are not real. So students, all these points you have to note down in your notebook and try to solve the question number 4. Thank you.